In this video, we're going to be making these healthy brownies. First, you're going to grease and line a 9 by 7 inch pan and set it aside. To your whole wheat flour, you're going to add in your cocoa powder, your baking powder, and the salt, and mix it all up. In another bowl, you're going to take your applesauce, and you can also make this at home, and I have a recipe on my channel. Then add in your honey. Mix this up just till it is combined. Then add in vanilla and 2 eggs. You could try and substitute these eggs with half cup of yogurt, and then you're going to give it a good whisk just for a few seconds. Once it is all well combined, you're going to add in your dry ingredients and mix them in. Mix this just till the flour has incorporated in the batter, but do not overmix. Once that is done, you can add in your dark chocolate, and this step is optional. Then pour your batter in the prepared pan. And you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is also about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then place your brownie batter in the oven and bake them for 25 minutes. Once these are done, a toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. You're going to let them cool completely on a wire rack. And once they're done cooling, you can go ahead and slice them up. Either you can cut them into small slices or large ones. Just have fun with it and enjoy your brownies. You can see the texture of the brownies. These brownies are a bit on the cakier side rather than the fudgy side. And the taste of these brownies is absolutely divine. The dark chocolate goes so well with the brownie. And you can also add in some nuts and personalize it according to your preferences. I hope you try out these brownies this holiday season, and also make sure to check out my channel for more delicious recipes. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new videos, and I will see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!